Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with MrDan. Today we're going to make a product review kind of deal. Uh, we're going to be testing out these silicone egg rings that I just got from Amazon because I want to make like a perfectly round egg because I want to make a slider breakfast sandwich. So, I tried folding them the other day, but the egg's hanging all over the side, so I'm going to try to get something that's round, so I bought those. So we're going to check them out today. And at the same time, we're going to make a breakfast slider, see how it turns out. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm hungry. Getting fatter by the day. Okay, so this is pretty basic. I got my pan, so I'm going to turn it on now. Get it heated up. Putting it on about 4, give or take. Got some butter back there. That's going to put a little butter in the pan with the eggs. Here I got the Martin's potato rolls, but they're the slider rolls. I got mayonnaise to put a coat on there, and I'm going to put them in the skillet, brown them up a little bit. Got some pepper jack cheese. Now that's going to hang over the side. I don't care, but I want that cheese. I got bacon I made the other day. See how it's all cut up already? That's what I usually do. In the back here, there's 2 of those silicone rings. I got 2 in the front here to show you. They came with a 4-pack. That's the bag of Martin's rolls we got. Now, these things here, they got a little lift thing so you can lift it off the egg. Supposedly, it's supposed to work that way. And then I got the 2 eggs, okay? So let's get to it. Okay, we're back. I already put some mayonnaise on here. I like using mayonnaise to, like, you make grilled cheese when you was a kid and everybody put butter on it. When I got older, I experimented. I put mayonnaise on it because I didn't have any butter. And guess what? It browned up to me it browned up more evenly and better than the butter did. So, let's try this. Maybe the pan's hot enough. I don't know. We'll see. I got a little sizzle. Can you guys hear that? Oh, yeah. Let that brown for a minute. Now the cheese, like I said, that's going to be bigger than the egg. So, bigger than the roll, so it's going to hang over, but I don't care. I just want to try to get a nice little round egg. The other thing I'm going to do, like these things came in the package yesterday. They mailed me one of their envelopes, the little blue and white air bubble envelope thing that they have. So and it came in a clear plastic bag on the inside. Doesn't tell you anything on how to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray. I just took Pam out of the cabinet. Try to look at this. It's starting to get there. It's getting there. Next, I'll be buying me a press, huh? So, just try to get this going good. Yeah, the other day when I was making these, I had a hard time getting it all brown in the middle of the roll because when they cut these open, they have a hump in the middle. One has a hump, the other one has a dip. I think this side here has the dip, see? And this one's got the hump. Funny thing is, they all come out like that. First, I thought it might have just been the one, but then I was checking the bag, and like today, the same thing. One has a hump, one has a dip. Just the way the machine cuts it, I guess, huh? Well, you'd say that because, see what this looks like, huh? See, look at that. Ain't that nice? See, that's where the hump thing is. Let's see what we got here on this side here. Yep, see, there's the dip. See, it didn't even touch the mayonnaise. Can you see that? Yep. All right, that's good. I don't want to burn it, so I'm going to take it off. All right. Now, I'm going to put, lower this down a little bit. Okay. I don't like cooking my eggs fast or on high or nothing like that. So what I'm going to do, got some Pam here. I'm going to spray us one of these things on the inside of the ring. Like I said, it didn't say to do this, so I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing it or not, but I just want to give this thing a fair shake, so. All right, there goes. That's enough of that. So, place it right here. And that gives a little sizzle around there because the fat's dripping off that. And I'm going to put a little butter in here and we're off to the races. We'll see how this works out. This is just a quick little slider thing. Don't worry, it's all good. All right, so now, like I said, I lowered the heat. Should have waited a little bit, but that's okay. So now we're going to try to drop this baby right in the middle of that ring. I hope it works. Let's see. No shell, no shell, no shell, no shell. Perfectly done, Daniel. Perfectly done. As you can see, we have a little issue on both sides of that thing. It's running out on the bottom, but it's not bad. Not bad. No, not bad at all. So we'll put a little sprinkle of salt and pepper on here. So that's not too bad. You know, when they came yesterday, I kind of figured that would happen because when they were in the package, the bottom of them was all kind of curly, you know, because of the way they were sitting in the bag. I had a tickle in my throat again. Jeez. Anyway, this is working pretty good. For the most part, we'll just have to wait and see how the egg comes out. I don't want to take it off yet because I know it's still too runny. So we're going to put the cheese on here. This will be Penny's sandwich first. I know she's hungry. She's been up since very early this morning. And I don't know, you guys don't know it, but I have picked up some more pots the other day. And she put them in the oven to clean, so that's nice of her. See what I did? I folded all the corners in, try to make that a little round, see? There you go. There you go. Governor. And we're going to put a little bacon on here. Now, this is a test me with this because I don't, normally I'd have flipped the egg right now, but since it's a little thicker, because it's all in that ring, I want to make sure it gets cooked all the way through before I take the ring off and flip it. So, that being said, and Penny don't like runny yolks on a sandwich, so. Now, I hope this thing comes off the way I want it to. Look at that, folks. That worked. Don't you like it when something works? I know I do. Unbelievable. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I don't know. I'll try to. I don't know if you can see the bottom of the egg's brown a little bit, but that's okay. Well, so far, I would give this product review that it works. No instructions, but like I said, I would definitely lubricate or put some Pam spray so the egg don't stick. All right. So there you have it. It's a-working. Take that. Look at that, huh? Hot, hot, hot. This is, I'll tell you right now, this is not a bad size for this bun. I'm going to show you the plate here. Now, except for where the egg ran out of the side. You see that? You don't even see the egg. It's actually covered all the way pretty much. Okay, there you have it. We'll be back. Okay, guys. Penny's happy. But anyhow, see, that's what I'm talking about. A nice, even golden brown. I did push down with the spatula though, because it's got that convex and concave dip in it. But anyhow, let's spray this one up. You know what? To do a real product review, I'm just gonna probably mess up my egg, but we're gonna do it this way. This one we're not gonna lube up. I'm still putting butter in the pan though. Let me put some butter in there, because that way that would be a true test of. Because there was no instructions. I just thought about that, putting that spray on there. So now what we're gonna do? Throw a little butter in there, huh? All right, that's done. And we'll take this, cover that. Now, that's what I thought about. That would be a true test, right? Because we're testing this up and see how it works. Okay, so look, no spray on there, just a little piece of butter, smack dab in the middle, huh? Let's try another egg. No shell, no shell, no shell, no shell, no shell. Perfection. I'd like to get the yolk a little more in the center, don't you think? That'd be cool. Whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna let that cook. And while that's cooking, I don't know that I showed you guys see, it still runs out a little bit again. That's all right. I'm gonna take my piece of cheese again. What I'm doing, just folding in, taking the edge and just popping it in to kind of round it out a little, fit on the bun better. That's all I did. See, and it fits nice. See, fits like perfect on there, huh? All right, so now we got that on there. And then I'm putting my bacon on top of the cheese layer. See? And then when the egg gets done, we're going to plop that on top of the bacon. And then we'll have us a slider. So we'll find out if this works without the butter. I mean, without the pan spray here in a minute. Okay, touching the bacon. I'll tell you, if you guys haven't tried that yet, that water cooking method works like a charm. Bacon comes out nice. See, I clean as I go, or I try to, so everything gets back in the refrigerator. Put a little salt and pepper on my egg. And what gave me the idea about, a true test of trying this without the pan spray, because, my silicone spatulas, nothing sticks to them. So I'm going to try this here in a minute. Because, I'd rather not spray nothing, because the spray gets everywhere when I try to hold it over the sink. I try to pick it up. Well, the egg's moving, so it's all intact. So look at that. Would you guys not believe that? Look, no spray and the egg come off. The ring come right off of there. And look at that egg. That's perfectly round. It's really nice, pretty. All right. Okay, so now that we see it works, as far as I'm concerned, this gets, like Amazon always asks you to rate it, it's a 5 out of 5 for me. Because you really don't need the pan spray. Everything worked good. You put it on there. It does just like it was advertised. Yes, it runs out a little, but I'm sure if you had a stainless steel one, especially if the pot's not totally level on the bottom, it's going to seep out. But I think for the amount that did, it's perfect. Very negligible, not perfect. It's negligible. It doesn't really matter. Okay, I'll see you at the taste test table. Okay, it's MrDan at the taste test table. I know that. You know who I am by now. But anyway, this week Penny and I were out and about, and we scored some nice cast iron. Now, the best one is this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at the size of that puppy. That's going to make one hell of a pizza. That's about all you can do, or some kind of a casserole in the oven. The thing weighs a ton. But I know it looks nice and clean, and it probably could be cooked in, but I'm not gonna. This week I'm doing another video on how to restore used cast iron. So right now I got a couple pots in the oven, but we already started those. I'm gonna try to start it from the beginning to the end and show you guys how it's done. Anyway, here's our sandwich, and as you can see, it came out perfect. Look at that. That egg ring, we have to give it a 5 out of 5, people, huh? As for the sandwich, that gets a 10. Anyhow, thanks for stopping here with this review. I might try a couple more of these if things turn out. Because I'm always getting little trinkets here and there. But I wanted to try this out. So we proved that the silicone egg ring works without no spray. It works with or without, so I'm going to try to do it without from now on. Be easier to clean. But outside of that, my friends, I got to move on to bigger and better projects today. So, like Elmo says, when you're out and about, cover your snout. Okay, that's good. Wash your hands. Oh yeah, while Penny and I was out, we each have a container that hand cleaning stuff in the car. Yesterday she gave me a big blob. But anyway, that's fun because when you're out and about and you're touching things, when you get in the car, at least if you got something to wash your hands, then that'd be good. Don't talk with your mouth full. Give us a like. Share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the notification bell if you haven't yet. I haven't seen that notification bell in there. I wonder if they still do that. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so until next time, my friends, stay hungry. This is MrDan. We're out, and we'll be back. Stay hungry and come back, and we'll give you another meal.